Hello everyone from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm Ethel Constantino. Today, I'm very excited because we are going to make Keto Mini Ube Pancakes. Ube is a purple yam widely grown in the Philippines, and it is popularly used as an ingredient in desserts. But it is also very high in carbohydrates. So for this version of our pancake, we are going to use the keto-friendly ube extract. And these are the ingredients that we need. 3/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 pieces whole eggs, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon ube extract, and 1/2 cup cream cheese. Also, as optional toppings, 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of Lakanto monk fruit syrup. And we will also need a mini griddle. If you don't have a mini griddle, you can use a pan. We also need a hand mixer and mixing bowls. Let's start. In a mixing bowl, combine all dry ingredients. The almond flour, then the Lakanto sweetener, and the baking powder. Mix this well, then set aside. Then, in another bowl, mix all wet ingredients, starting with the eggs. Then add the melted butter, the ube extract, and the cream cheese. Using a hand mixer, mix these ingredients very well. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can also use a whisk to combine these ingredients. Let's now combine the wet and dry mixtures. Using a spatula or a spoon, mix this very well. After mixing, we can now place 3 tablespoons of the batter on the griddle. Let's cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. When the pancake is cooked, set it aside and cook the rest of the batter. Then you can top this with butter and syrup. Serve and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed our video today. Now you can make your own Keto Ube Pancakes. From Raleigh, North Carolina, I'm Ethel Constantino. We live in interesting times.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @KetoNet. See you in the next video.